There are three specific words that once a woman hears them from a man she's already slightly interested in, she cannot stop thinking about him. Not three magic pickup lines, not compliments, not cute texts. Three psychological triggers rooted in decades of brain science that bypass her logical mind completely and plant your presence directly into her emotional memory. And here's the part nobody talks about. Most men are accidentally using the opposite of these words every single day and wondering why she loses interest, why she starts pulling back, why a woman who was warm and open suddenly feels distant. I'm going to show you exactly what these three words are. But first, I need to explain why most men fail before they even open their mouths. Because if you skip this part, the words alone won't work. Stay with me. This will change the way you communicate forever. Here's the truth. Most dating coaches will never tell you. Attraction is not logical. You cannot reason your way into a woman's heart. You cannot impress your way in. You cannot craft the perfect text, plan the perfect date, and calculate your way to connection. Because attraction doesn't live in the analytical part of the brain, it lives in the limbic system, the ancient emotional core of the human mind. The same part that stores your most powerful memories. The same part that fires when you hear a song that takes you back 15 years in an instant. That's where real attraction is born. And this creates a massive problem for most men. Because we are taught to perform. We're taught to be impressive, to be funny, to say the right thing, to prove our value. But every time you try to perform for a woman, you are speaking to her logic. And logic does not spark desire. Think about the number of interactions a woman has in a single day. The polite, "How are you?" from the barista. The generic, "Hey, what's up?" in her inbox. The man at work who laughs a little too hard at everything she says. Her brain, which is a ruthless efficiency machine, filters all of that out. It blurs the routine. It records only the moments that carry real emotional weight. Let me ask you something, and I want you to think about this honestly. When was the last time someone said something to you that you genuinely couldn't stop thinking about? Drop it in the comments. I read every single one because that moment, whatever it was, that's what we're building toward. The men who are truly unforgettable aren't the loudest, the funniest, or the most successful in the room. They are the ones who made her feel something real in a world drowning in polite, forgettable noise. All right, let's get into the first word. And this one is going to make some of you uncomfortable because it requires something most men are terrified of. It requires you to actually want something. The first psychological trigger is the phrase, "I want." Now, before you dismiss this as too simple, hear me out. Because the way most men communicate is the exact opposite of this, and they don't even realize they're doing it. Listen to how most men ask a woman out. "Maybe we could hang out sometime. If you're free, I don't know, no pressure." Every single word in that sentence is designed to minimize risk, to pre-apologize for wanting her, to make the rejection hurt less before it even happens, and she can feel that energy instantly. It doesn't feel like confidence. It doesn't feel like security. It feels like a man who doesn't even believe she should say yes. Now contrast that with, "I want to take you to dinner this weekend. I know a great place." Same intention, completely different psychological impact. The second man isn't aggressive. He isn't pushy. He isn't demanding. He is decisive. He has a plan. He has a desire, and he is calmly inviting her into that vision. Psychologists call this healthy polarity. When a man leads with grounded, calm intent, it creates a natural space for a woman to respond rather than decide. It removes the exhausting weight of uncertainty. It feels safe. It feels secure. And security is one of the most attractive feelings a woman can experience from a man. But here's where it gets really interesting because "I want" by itself is powerful. But there's a second word that multiplies its impact by 10, a word that transforms a simple statement into something she will replay in her mind for days. I'll get there in a moment. But first, have you ever been afraid to say what you actually wanted? Because you were scared it would push her away? Type yes in the comments if that's ever been you. You are not alone. And what I'm about to share with you is specifically designed to fix that. The second psychological trigger is a single word that most men completely ignore. And it is the most powerful antidote to shallow, forgettable conversation that exists. That word is because. Here's why this matters. Most men give compliments like this. "You're beautiful. You're so cool. I really like you." And while those aren't wrong, they are invisible. An attractive woman has heard those phrases hundreds of times. They have become background noise. Her brain has literally trained itself to process them and forget them within seconds because they don't prove anything. They don't show that you see her. They could be said to anyone, but the moment you add because, everything changes. I enjoy talking to you. That's a pleasantry. I enjoy talking to you because you have a way of seeing things that makes me stop and think differently. That is a psychological landmark. Do you understand the difference? The first sentence tells her you like her. The second sentence tells her why, and that why is specific to her. It cannot be copy-pasted to the next woman. It proves that you have been paying real attention. And in a world of likes, swipes, and surface-level conversation, being truly seen is one of the rarest and most powerful gifts one human being can give another. Now, I want to be very clear about something. Because only works when it is genuine, when it comes from real observation. In a few minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how to combine all three of these words into a single sentence that creates what researchers call a soul-level emotional anchor. It is one of the most powerful things you can say to a woman you're genuinely interested in. But there's one more word we need to cover first, and this one is the deepest of all three. The third psychological trigger is the phrase, I appreciate. And to understand why this hits so differently, you need to understand the difference between a compliment and appreciation. A compliment is transactional. You look nice tonight. I like your outfit. Your eyes are beautiful. These are fine, they're pleasant, but they are focused entirely on the surface, on what you can see, and most of the time, they feel like a small bid for a positive reaction. You give the compliment, you wait for the smile. Appreciation is something completely different. Appreciation is witnessing someone. I appreciate how thoughtful you are with people. I appreciate the calm energy you bring into a room. I appreciate that you don't pretend to be something you're not. These sentences are not about her appearance. They are about her character, her values, the quiet, invisible parts of who she is, the parts that most people never even notice, let alone name out loud. When you speak appreciation like this, she doesn't just feel flattered, she feels understood. And for most people, men and women, being truly understood is rarer than being loved. Think about someone in your life who made you feel genuinely appreciated. Not for what you looked like, but for who you are. How did that feel? Comment below. Because the answer to that question is exactly what we're trying to create. Now, here is where everything comes together. Imagine you're at the end of a genuine conversation, a real one where you've laughed, you've shared something honest, and the connection feels natural. This is the moment. You look at her, steady, calm, no rush, and you say, I want to see you again because I really appreciate the energy you bring. Everything just feels lighter around you. Read that again. I want clear intent, no hedging, no apology, because you gave a reason, a specific evidence-based reason that proves you were paying attention. I appreciate, you spoke to her essence, not her appearance, in one sentence. You have done what most men spend entire relationships failing to do. You have shown her that you see her, that you are certain about what you want, that your interest is not about performance, it's about genuine connection. That sentence doesn't just land in the moment, it echoes. It replays in her mind at 11 p.m. when the room is quiet. It's the thought she comes back to. It's the reason she reaches for her phone to text you first. Not because you were impressive, because you were real. Now, one critical warning before you go. These three words are not a script. They are not a trick. They are not something you rehearse in the mirror and deploy on command. If you force them into every conversation, they will feel fake, and she will feel that immediately. Use them only when they are genuinely true, only when the moment already has emotional weight behind it. After a real conversation, after a real laugh, after a moment where something was actually shared. And when you say them, your delivery must match the words. Calm voice, steady eye contact, no rushing, no over-explaining. Because if you speak words of depth, with the body language of someone seeking approval, the impact disappears completely. You are not performing, you are present. That is the real secret underneath all three words. At the end of the day, attraction isn't about being perfect. It's about being present. It's about stripping away the games, the performance, and the fear, and speaking with the kind of honesty that most men never find the courage to use. When you do that, you stop being background noise. You become the man whose words echo when everything else goes quiet. If this gave you something real today, hit the like button right now. It only takes a second, and it helps this message reach the men who need it most. Subscribe and turn on notifications. because every week I go deeper into the psychology of real connection, attraction, and becoming the man women genuinely remember. And before you go, drop a comment below. Which of these 3 words hit you hardest? I want, because, or I appreciate. Tell me why. I read every single comment. Thank you for being here. And remember, lead with presence, lead with respect. I'll see you in the next one.